Hey folks, this is what I look like after 60 minutes of HIIT training on an elliptical. Get a little sweaty, but hey, when I'm on my elliptical, I have a TV in that room and I put it on YouTube and I'm listening and learning. I almost never, I would say, gosh, I bet in the last year I've never watched a television show or a movie. I'm always trying to learn something. Sometimes it's about history, sometimes it's reliability and maintenance, sometimes it's the stock market, sometimes it's health. A lot of times it's health, mental health and physical health. So, hey, this is what I look like. This is completely soaking wet. Hey, and by the way, this is my daughter's sorority that she attended at Purdue University. So, hey, I come up with some really neat understandings and some clarity that happens to me when I'm listening to these videos. And today is one of those days. And I got a quote for you, and this is from Ray Dalio. He is a very successful hedge fund manager in the stock market. So he had a formula: pain plus reflection equals progress. And what he's saying here, hey man, there's some hard lessons you got to learn. You got to do the work. You got to sweat. You got to make mistakes. Then you reflect on that, and then you make progress. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Now, this is a little too simple of a formula. There's one major step missing. If you look down here for me, just as for me and making sure that you all get this, it's pain plus reflection plus new action equal progress. And I think Ray assumed that up there, but hey, there's a heck of a lot of people that learn things and don't apply it. They just say, I'm not doing that again. They don't adjust the action, okay? Very important. So, hey, maintenance managers, most of you, the vast majority of you, I would say 95%, so good chance this is you're failing, okay? You got 80% unplanned work, 90% unplanned work. You're not doing problem solving. Your PMs lack precision. They lack being attached to failure mode. You have too many resources attached to them. You have the frequencies too often. You're failing. Their equipment is not running how it's supposed to. You got conflict between maintenance and production. You're blaming production. They're blaming you around who owns reliability. You're failing. Okay, I tell you, and this is based on the phone calls coming into me, the emails, phone calls, interactions I've had. It's at least 95% of you are failing and you don't know what to do. You're in pain. Okay, you're in pain. Follow the formula here. Reflect on why that pain is happening, okay? And I got 215 videos out there now on reflection of what's really happening in your plant. How do you know what's happening in your plant? Do you look at KPIs? Do you sit around and talk about it? Yes, but you must add observation to your data set. I keep saying that, and it will change you as a leader. It will change you fundamentally. You will not be the same after you do chalk circle observation of your process. And that'll lead to new and simple actions that will reveal themselves because you intimately know the problem from your experience. I'm not discounting your experience. I'm not discounting, KPIs. What everybody's discounting is observation. That gap of what really is happening versus what you think is happening is tremendous, And that's where progress comes. So, folks, you got to go through some pain. When I say do a PM Kaizen and you cut out 100 PMs, you're going to be wrong on 10 of them. You're going to be wrong and it's going to be painful. You're going to get yelled at, but then you're going to adapt, okay? And don't forget, you were right on 90% of them, okay? You were wrong on 10%, you're right on 90%, okay? Learn from the 10, reapply, go again. You do that over a period of months and years, dramatic progress can be made. This is Joe out.